on the topic. Construction workers play a role in the development of society's the work of a construction worker is not easy. Operating heavy machinery or handling hazardous materials. Therefore, be careful. Construction workers take great pride in seeing construction workers, ensuring them a safe working environment, fair wages, and appropriate welfare policies. Training and skill enhancement are also necessary to help them develop and work more effectively in the future. In conclusion, thanks to their hard work, modern structures can emerge, contributing to the sustainable development of the country and providing a better life for everyone. Construction workers are the foundation of a crucial role in shaping the world we live in today. From tolerance
No.
Despite these challenges, modern construction is no longer just about physical labor. It requires technical expertise and adaptability. With advanced
挖到电缆了，电缆挖开了，我操，废了。
Transform raw materials into functional spaces, such as a home that saves lives, or a bridge that connects communities. Often overlooked. However, support the efforts of these hard-working individuals. Prioritize their well-being by providing fair wages, good working conditions, and opportunities for skill development. A strong, skilled, and motivated construction workforce is essential for the continued growth and modernization of our city. Labor and dedication are the foundation for a better future, and their efforts deserve buildings. Let us remember the hands that built them and the stories of perseverance.
Tecnologia!
Because the tree is growing through the street sign all the way up and all the way out the top.
Ja pierdolę. Kurwa.
iPhone.
No iPhone ya. Ada tahun belakangnya apa ada?
Oh, no. They are directly involved in building structures such as houses, roads, schools, hospitals, and many other facilities.
Go in your room
To
at least.
economic growth and improving people's
That
lives.
is
And deal with various dangers such as working at heights, operating heavy machinery, or handling hazardous materials. Being careful, patient,
Have you ever looked at
possessing
someone you
teamwork
work
skills are
with and
indispensable
thought,
qualities for them.
how the
Besides manual
fuck
labor skills,
did you get
today's
this job?
construction workers must also keep up with new technologies and techniques to meet the increasing needs of construction. Modern innovations such as automated machines and smart construction technologies help to design world. However, society needs to pay more attention to the lives of construction workers, ensuring them a safe working environment, fair wages, and policies. Training and enhancement are also construction workers are the unsung heroes of society. Thanks to their hard work, modern structures can emerge, contributing to the sustainable development of the country and providing a better life for everyone. Construction workers are the foundation of modern civilization, playing a crucial role in shaping the world we live in today. From towering skyscrapers to intricate road networks, and the infrastructure that supports our daily lives. Their hard work, dedication, and resilience contribute immensely to the economy. The job of a construction worker is both physically demanding and mentally demanding. advancements in technology, construction workers must now be proficient in using cutting-edge tools, automated machinery, and digital blueprints. Using the standards is essential for the continued growth and modernization of our cities. In conclusion, construction workers are the unsung heroes behind every thriving community. Their labor and dedication is the foundation for a better future, and their efforts to serve stories of perseverance and carry.
A little bit? Nothing.
See that?
Nah, barely anything. You're just trying to break me off.
Bocor halus. Kok berhenti kau bocor? Ya Allah! Lo vaya marah.
छोड़ जा, फर्जी छोड़ जा, फर्जी छोड़ जा। तेरे तेरे पड़ी जा